Good morning, students, and welcome to another online physical science class. Here I am discussing question answers of carbon. So let's start. The first question is, what is allotropy? Some elements exist in nature in different forms, keeping their chemical properties the same. This property of an element is called allotropy. Question number 2. What are allotropes? Name the allotropes of phosphorus, oxygen, sulfur and carbon. Answer. The different forms of an element are called allotropes. Now, allotropes of phosphorus, white phosphorus and red phosphorus. Allotropes of oxygen, ozone and oxygen. Allotropes of sulfur, monoclinium sulfur and rhombic sulfur. And lastly, allotropes of carbon are graphite and diamond. Next question. Who first artificially prepared diamond and how? Answer. Scientist Moissan first artificially prepared diamond. This is the first part of the question. Second part starts from here. In an electric furnace, a mixture of iron and carbon is heated at 3000 degrees Celsius and it is suddenly cooled by pouring it into the molten lead at the temperature of 327 degrees Celsius. Sudden cooling and squeezing results in change of carbon to diamond. Number 4. Mention the occurrence of diamond. In nature, diamond is found in igneous rock. As mineral diamond is obtained in Golconda of India, South Africa, Brazil and America. In the mines of South Africa, 96% diamond of the world is obtained. Diamond remains as cubic or octahedral form in the rock. After lifting from the mines, the rocks are crusted to separate diamond. Question number 5. What is carbonado? Pure diamond is colorless, transparent and crystalline substance. Impure diamond is black or brown, called carbonado or both. Number 6. Mention the physical properties of diamond. First one, diamond is one of the hardest substance known. Second one, pure diamond is colorless, transparent and crystalline substance. Impure diamond is black or brown, called carbonado or both. Number 3, due to high refractive index of diamond, it looks very bright. Number 4, density of diamond is 3.5 gram per centimeter cube or cc. Number 5, diamond doesn't conduct heat and electricity. It does not conduct heat or electricity. Number 6, X-ray can pass through diamond. So X-ray is used to distinguish between glass and diamond. Next question, what are the uses of diamond? Black diamond or carbonado is used for cutting and polishing glass, precious stones and different hard substances. This type of diamond is called both. Number 2, due to its sparkle, diamond is used as jewel stone. As a jewel stone, the weight of diamond is measured in carat unit. Next question, question number 8. What is the unit of diamond? Unit of diamond is carat, C-A-R-A-T. What is the weight of Kohinoor? The most precious stone used in the throne of Mughal emperor was named as Kohinoor. Its weight was 106 carat. Question number 9. Where does graphite obtain? Graphite, known as black lead, is obtained as minerals in Ceylon, Siberia, Austria, California of America and India. Number 10. Why artificial graphite is required? How it is prepared? First part of the question. Supply of natural graphite is relatively less than its worldwide demand. That is why graphite is prepared artificially. Now, how it is prepared? In Acacian process, a mixture of sand and coke powder is heated at 3000 degrees Celsius in an electric furnace. Silicon carbide is first formed which decomposes to form silicon and graphite. Question number 11. What is plumbago or plumbago? On rubbing, graphite makes black mark on paper, so it is called blacklead or plumbago. Number 12. What is the density of graphite? Density of graphite is 2.2 gram per centimeter cube or per cc. Question number 13. What are the physical properties of graphite? Graphite is a very grey colored opaque but bright crystalline substance. Graphite is soft and greasy to touch. On rubbing, graphite makes black mark on paper, so it is called blacklead or plumbago. Density of graphite is 2.2 gram per centimeter cube. Graphite can conduct heat and electricity. Next question. Mention the different uses of graphite. Graphite has many uses. Number 1, it is used as lead of pencil. Number 2, colloidal graphite suspended in oil is used in lubricating machinery. Number 3, graphite is used as electrodes. It has used in battery. Due to its thermal conductivity, graphite is used in furnace also. Number 5, graphite is used as moderator in atomic reactor. Question number 15. Differentiate between diamond and graphite. First I am discussing diamond points, then graphite. Number 1. Diamond is transparent and colorless. Its crystal is octahedral in shape. Graphite is dark grey in color. Its crystal is hexagonal in shape. Number 2. It is the strongest material which is used in cutting glass. It means diamond. Now next, graphite is soft and lubricant. It makes black mark on paper on rubbing. Number 3. Diamond is non-conductor of heat and electricity. And graphite is conductor of heat and electricity. Number 16. Write the different amorphous allotropic forms of carbon. Why they are called amorphous? Charcoal, soot and lambac are some allotropes of carbon. These are actually amorphous allotropic forms of carbon. Now why they are called amorphous? These are actually the microscopic forms of graphite. As they have no definite crystalline structure, they are called amorphous forms. Question number 17. How wood charcoal is obtained? When wood is distilled in a closed iron retort, the process is called destructive distillation within bracket. Volatile pyroligneous acid and wood gas come out as distillate and the residue obtained is wood charcoal. Question number 18. What is the pure form of carbon? How it is obtained? Sugar charcoal is the pure form of carbon. By the destructive distillation of sugar or by the addition of concentrated sulfuric acid to sugar, this charcoal is obtained. That means sugar charcoal is obtained. Equation must you have to give over here, that is C12H22O11 plus H2SO4 is equal to 12C plus 11H2O plus H2SO4. Question number 18. What are the uses of plant charcoal? Wood charcoal is used as fuel, as reducing agent, as gas absorber due to its porosity, and in filter bed to filter water due to its absorbing capacity. Sugar charcoal is used in the laboratory. Question number 20. What is active charcoal? How it is produced? What are the uses of this? First one is, what is active charcoal? With the special treatment, when the absorbed hydrocarbon and layers of graphite obtained from the surface of charcoal, the porosity of charcoal increases very much. Its capacity of absorbing gas increases much. This type of charcoal is called active charcoal. How it is produced? Coconut shell soaked in zinc chloride solution when heated in absence of air produces active charcoal. What are the uses of this? Besides the absorbing power, active charcoal has the power of decoloration and removing taste. Active charcoal is used in making gas mask. So these are the question answers. Question I have typed and answers I have discussed in the audio. Because every answer I have given from your book. But what is the exact answer of this question specifically, that's why I have discussed this. Please listen to the audio properly. Some terms are wrong in your book. That also I have corrected in audios. And then follow my instruction of the next slides. Thank you, students. Write down all the question answers in your physical science exercise book. For any doubts or queries, please email me at shudeshna1.sma@outlook.com. Even you need to mail your physical science assignments in this given email ID.